Using data so we can predict what's going to happen before it happens is big news for health and care. The NHS and local authorities are beginning to join up different data sets and forecast those people at risk of an increasing social care or health need. Proactive interventions can then be targeted to mitigate this risk. This work helps to plan, time, and use resources more efficiently and effectively. Developing a shared understanding of the role of tech is important going forward. Monitoring centres, telecare services, and digital health devices gather a wealth of data about individuals, many in high-risk groups. Tech can also create predictive environments that learn someone's behaviour patterns, forecasts when they might need extra care, and alert the appropriate services. What's more, tech helps individuals to self-care and actively manage their own health and well-being. Karis lives alone and fell recently. When responders came to her house, they found she was dehydrated and she didn't have much food in. Her monitoring system highlighted that Karis presses her pendant alarm regularly, telling operators that she's worried about unexpected callers. Health records showed that Karis suffers from recurrent urinary tract infections and sometimes forgets to take her antibiotics. She's also told her GP that she's feeling anxious since her husband passed away. Working together, the telecare service team and social care staff looked at this data and decided to include Karis in the council's proactive calling service. They remind her to drink water, take her medication, get her flu jab, and go to the weekly tea dance. Her telecare unit is programmed to prompt her throughout the day to drink, eat, and take her pills. Since receiving these prompts and calls, Karis presses her pendant alarm less, and operators report that her mood and confidence have improved because she's getting out more. Her GP is pleased because she hasn't had so many urinary tract infections and isn't feeling so anxious. Recently, when operators rang to wish Karis happy birthday, she began singing Welsh anthem Calon Lan, and the operator joined in. It made Karis' day. Technology-enabled care is transforming people's lives and the services which deliver care and support. The growth of digital solutions is rapidly opening up new opportunities to deliver personalized care and support. When you think tech, think about how you'll use it to protect, detect, and connect.